The LG Blu-ray player comes with this little tiny remote, very small. It's about half again the length of a credit card, very light, and one of the poorest designs I've ever seen. This is not flat, so when it's on a table or whatever you're trying to operate it, you go to push a button, this thing's dancing around. Very small buttons and stuff on here, and absolutely not even a single hint in the instructions as to the idiosyncrasies about how this works. So you do have to play with it for a while to get used to it. But this, if you have a Samsung or a Sony or Panasonic, they sit flat on the table. They've got 4 distinct points that it rests on. And you don't have to wonder if it's going to be there after you push a button. I have designed what I call the LG Remote Leveler. 3D printed. This is at a bit of an angle. This fits on there. It clears the infrared emitter. And it matches this curvature here. And there's some stuff embossed. It stands a bit proud of the plastic here. This is indented to clear that. And I intend to attach that with double-sided tape. Now, when I push a button, it doesn't dance around. It stays where it's supposed to. And if anybody else has one of these, if you're interested in this piece of plastic, the STL files will be on Thingiverse under my name. And the link will be in the description for this video.